If you have an exhaust leak where you have an exhaust connection, or you're using the traditional U-bolt style exhaust clamps, basically you're going to have a leak right there no matter how tight you tighten up that clamp. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a better clamping system. This is basically an overlapping clamp system. So you have your exhaust pipe here, you got one here. The one's going to go inside the other. That's why there's this step right here. And this is going to seal up exhaust a heck of a lot better than that traditional U-bolt. Let's check it out. And that's all there is to it, guys. If you have the correct tools and use the correct parts, you're going to have a good tight exhaust system, just about as tight as a fully welded system. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.